Hey friends, welcome back. Friends, before implementing the concept of inversion of control in our application, let us understand what it is and how we're gonna implement this in our application. Currently, we have this insurance interface and couple of classes which implements this interface, right? And whenever we would like to check the status of the insurance, we simply create an object of the class based on this interface, and we call this show status method, right? Which is very simple, and it's plain old Java object mechanism, POJO mechanism. All right, so moving forward, when we would be doing the same under inversion of control, things will differ. Now, what is inversion of control? Inversion of control is a process where we outsource creation of object to a external entity. Now, the external entity is an application context. Now, what is application context? This application context is nothing but a layer of a Spring framework, and understand this in this way, that we would be asking this application context to create an object for us. Now, this application context is nothing but Spring's framework, and Spring's framework will create an object based on the configuration, and it will give us a object. Now, previously we used to use something known as bean factory, and in the later version of Springs we have started making use of application context. So in any tutorial, if it is known as like bean factory, it is similar to application context, or if we refer as bean factory, then it is application context, or someone refer as application context, then it is bean factory. Both are similar, only the internal implementation in the Spring's behalf is little different. So that's again a piece of information. Now, this application context, what this will do? This will do nothing but based on the configuration, it will create the object for us, and the object would be given to the class which is making use of this application context. Now, this object could be definitely used to call methods, right? And we would be calling this method show status based on the object which is provided to us by the application contexts. So this is a very high level explanation of this concept, inversion of control, and when we would be implementing this particular concept of inversion of control, the things would be more clear to you guys. So this is a very high level thing. Now, in order to summarize this video, it is pretty simple. We can say this, that the process of creation of object is being outsourced, and object creation would be handled by Spring's framework. And which component of Spring's framework? This is nothing but application context. We are making use of later version of Spring framework, so we would be making use of application context. And in the old and outdated tutorial, you might also see bean factory. So this is all about this explanation, and we would be digging more into this concept in our next lecture. I suppose I have made myself clear. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.